After deciding to flout an international arrest warrant against Benjamin Netanyahu, Hungary has become the first European country to announce the plans to leaving the International Criminal Court, that is ICC. This comes after President Viktor Orban hosted the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, despite the ICC issuing an arrest warrant for him in relation to the war that has been committed in Gaza. As a member of the ICC, Hungary is supposed to turn in anyone subject to such a warrant if they enter its territory. Instead, Orban rolled out the red carpet. Following the visit, a senior government official confirmed that Hungary's intention to leave the court is very serious. Also, it will be some time before we know if it will see through on the threat, because it takes at least a year to leave once a formal written notification has been sent, but the signal itself is a landmark moment. Hungary's open repudiation of the important parts of the international law is further evidence of the tectonic shifts taking place in the international relationships. Also, throughout most of the 1990s and early 2000s, much of the Western foreign policy was focused on creating institutional mechanisms aimed at preserving the liberal international consensus that emerged at the end of the Cold War. The creation of the WTO, that is the World Trade Organization, and the ICC were the two most concrete manifestation of these ethos. But those represents attempts to bring the legal and the judicial formalities to the international politics. Unlike its two ad hoc antecedents, the ICC, that is the International Tribunal for the Yugoslavia and the Rwanda, the ICC is a permanent court of justice. It is tasked with the overseeing of the criminal trials of people accused in the involvement of the serious crimes such as